What's up, guys? We are at another car meet this morning here, and it's a little small one, but should be a pretty good one here. As you can kind of see behind me, there are a bunch of cars here, and we're at Lucy Cooper's Ice House here, and it's going to be a good video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go check out these cars. All right, guys, we got a couple of Chargers over here, 392s, Hemi in the back. And we got a V6 Lives Matter over here, decal on the back. That nice blue color. And then another one over here. But you got a nice Shelby GT500. And there's the snake on the side with the GT500. Here's a bit of the interior shot. Very nice. A little shot of the back, guys. GT500. A bit of shot of the wheels. And we come back around. And then here's mine, guys. Y'all can see. My beautiful car in the shot. And you already know I had to get a video of it. But the real thing I want to get a shot of is this one over here. Look at the Z06. It's got the ZR1 front bumper. It's got the Forge Racing weld wheels. And look at the back. Look at that. Look at those Mickey Thompsons, guys. Holy crap. And the parachute in the back. Shoot, I wish my car would be this fast someday, but man, look at that. That is insane. Man, guys, expensive hobby. That thing is sick. All right, guys, and we got a bunch of the newer Supras here, all colors. Man, I really like the wing on the GTR right here. And we got a couple of older Supras here, guys. Five of them. Man. Look at the engine in here. This one too. All right, here's the back side of the older Supras, guys. Man, so nice. So many of the older ones. All right, we're on the backside now, guys. We got a couple Skylines, new and old.
I was looking at a GTS 4. It's like, it's so much better than the GTS 2s because they're all rural, right?
Yeah, I mean, they're...
And we got a newer blue one right here. And a nice gray one. All right, guys, and we got a couple more of the newer Supras right here, but there's just so many of them at this meet. It's a JDM meet. Got a little Subaru STI coming in. Little Lexus. Old school Beamer. And another STI over here. Man, guys, and these two GTRs just pulled up. I like the wrap on this thing. Look at all the red, all the custom red paint for the engine. Man, and then look, this one's got a parachute on the back over here. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh boy. And he's got blue. All right, guys, we have a little nice chopping C6 Z06 that just pulled up here. Thing sounded really nice. Black with that anthracite looking wheels on this Z06. Got the blue calipers. It's pretty nice. Check it out, guys. Another old school Supra just showed up. Red. Looks nice. Real nice. It's backing in. Alright, guys, and that's pretty much the video. Just a small little meet that we found, and we just wanted to get it covered. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and more videos will be coming. Y'all stay tuned. The Rogue Vet out. Peace.